We have a 2011 Honda Jazz 1.4 manual. This one is a category N from the insurance company, and it's got a scrape down that side. But in short, full service history, 2 keys, well looked after car, decent tyres, alloy wheels, air conditioning, basic extras like that. So as you can see, no damage on the front or the top or down this side. It's all good. It's pretty tidy inside. So you get a free packet of mini rolls with it as well. It's not clean and tidy. Same in the back as well. And the back is all good, no damage at all. It's quite dirty and dark, so hopefully you can see it okay. Right, pretty much this back end is all alright, but it's had a scrape down this side. So this is going to have to be painted, that corner there, and also this side here. So that will be repaired, that wing. But we've bought another 2 doors and they're in the same colour red, so they'll be bolted on. So in short, and the wing mirror is smashed to pieces as well, so we've got a red mirror as well. So this will be painted on the front wing, on the back little wheel arch there, 2 new doors put on, and that is it. I'm guessing these retail for around £4 grand, so it's going to be probably 332, something like that, and it makes someone a decent car.